So, hello and welcome to Excel BI challenge number 77. Again, football, but I think this will be a short challenge. I took a look before and it's quite easily doable. So, let's download the challenge. Will it download? Yeah, there it is. So, didn't work. So, here we have the challenge. Now, we need to have a difference. So like this one minus therefore this one, and filter according to the challenge. So like HSTACK, the team. So here we have a table with the improvements and so the difference, the improvements or the worsening. Is there? Oh yeah. I don't know why there is everywhere in free space in, but we will do it with the free space. So I need to have this as a table and then filter the table if the table let's do it separately. So we have the difference separate, then we have here the table, so no changes at the table, but now I have the difference as a separate argument there, and now I can filter the table according to the difference is equal to the maximum difference, so that we have like Morroco and the 24 for the category best. So we VSTACK best and the Morroco team. So we have this one, and now we need to VSTACK this with the same for the minimum difference. But there is an error because the HSTACK, so do we want to have it written? No, I just debug it. This could be done so that if there would be more than one team improving and so on, this would also lead to an error, but here I will manually erase the error here and then HSTACK. So like we could do it here. So like also the header I want to have in there. And this should be fine. Yeah, so we have basically, there isn't any change except for the header in bold. Everything is the same. So this wasn't a tricky challenge, only calculate the difference and then filter a little bit and stack these things together. I did made a little bit of an easy one with this one because it could be possible. So for example, if we had like ratio with 44 here, that we have like an error here. So this could be done differently. So let's do it that way. I erase the error thing here. Now we have this thing with an error, and now I use the, I can use the scan function, for example. So no initial value, just this array under a b. If error b, then a. Would this work? Yeah, this would work, for example. So let's put this in this whole formula. But the question is where. So like, let's name this TT. And then do like scan from take TT first column, and then lambda a b. If error b, then a. And then stack this together with HSTACK and drop TT, the first column. So, and this is now is super adaptable. Page 1 is bold. This is super adaptable because also we can just test this with Croatia. If Croatia would be the SEC also would be also have an improvement of 24, this would automatically be updated. I don't know, was it 14 or 24? Never mind, not important. So we have two formulas here, one a little bit shorter, but with this like not so great thing, not adaptable, and this the super adaptable one. Thank you for joining. I hope you've learned a little bit. Next time I will potentially also explain what scan does in this formula.